Probability practice exercises 1 through 6. These go pretty quickly, so this shouldn't be that much of a problem. 1. A ball is drawn randomly from a jar that contains 6 red balls, 2 white balls, and 5 yellow balls. Find the probability of a given event. So, probability of drawing a red. Okay, there are 6 red balls out of 13. So there's my probability of drawing a red ball. A white ball is drawn. There are 2 white balls out of 13 total. So there's my probability of drawing a white ball. 2. Suppose you write each letter of the alphabet on a different slip of paper and put the slips into a hat. What is the probability? Sorry, I lost my pen there. What is the probability of drawing one slip of paper from the hat at random and getting a consonant? Okay, so as we know, there are 26 letters in the alphabet. There are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, so the rest of them will be consonants. So then the probability of drawing a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, that's 5 vowels out of 26 consonants. 3. A group of people were asked if they had run a red light in the last year. 150 responded yes, and 185 responded no. Find the probability that if a person is chosen at random, they have run a red light in the last year. So this is an example of experimental probability. And so we're going to say probability of running a red light. So to get our total, we're going to need to add that 150 plus 185. So in my denominator, I get 335. And the number of people who responded yes was 150. If you wish to, this does reduce to 30 over 67. 4. In a survey, 205 people indicated they prefer cats, 160 indicated they prefer dogs, and 40 indicated they don't enjoy either pet. Find the probability that if a person is chosen at random, they prefer cats. So again, we need to add everybody who responded. Oops, there we go. There's our 205. So adding all of those together, I'm going to get 405. And again, we're looking for the probability that they like cats. And so 205 responded that they like cats. And if you wish, you can reduce that to 41 over 81. Okay, 5, compute the probability of tossing a 6-sided die with sides number 1 through 6 and getting a 5. Okay, so probability of getting a 5. There are 6 sides on the die, only one of them is a 5. Number 6. Compute the probability of tossing a 6-sided die and getting a 7. There is no 7 on a 6-sided die, so that's an impossible event. Our probability is 0.